Hello everyone, this is Iqbal with SQL ULTRA, and today we're going to talk about 3 must-know skills for database administrators in 2019. If you don't know me, I'm the founder CEO of SQL ULTRA. SQL ULTRA is a company where we provide support to the businesses on database administration, database development, and data warehousing. If you want to learn more, visit our website www.sqlultra.com. All right, let's jump into today's topic. 3 must-know skills for database administrators in 2019. Today, database administration has become a different type of job than 15 years ago or 10 years ago or even 5 years ago. 5 years ago, it was kind of like a typical job that people would come to work and maintain their databases and do performance tuning and at 5 o'clock go home. But today you have to have some type of skills to basically survive in this 2019. So we're going to go over the skills. So the 3 skills that I think every DBA or every new DBA should learn. The first one is T-SQL. So I have seen so many database administrators don't know how to write T-SQL, don't know how to write the stored procedures. I mean, you could say, hey, the stored procedures are something that basically written by database developers. That's true, but when you know how to read a stored procedure, then you can stand against the database developers. You can say, hey, there is a problem with the stored procedure, there is efficiency problem, so you need to change it. When you don't know how to read it, so you basically don't know anything about it. You can't even tell the developers about the stored procedures. And many companies, I still can't believe they do it. Many companies, they don't have any database developers for writing T-SQL. They use their programmers to write T-SQL. That's totally unfair because the programmers always use their programming language type of skills for writing T-SQL, which SQL doesn't like. The complex queries, if you're a database administrator, you should know how to write complex queries. It's very powerful and very kind of like efficiency included in there. So you gotta learn how to write basic queries and complex queries. The perfect example would be data warehouse queries. We'll come back on that later on. But data warehouse queries are kind of like that you could look at if you're looking at complex queries. Efficient SQL queries. SQL queries are something that you should look at for efficiency. So we don't want any expensive queries running on the SQL server. It's up all the CPUs and memories and kind of like that. So, and the reporting. T-SQL is used for business reporting too. So basically, if a report goes out to the marketing team, sales team, you as a database administrator should know what are written in it. So in that case, if a report is causing issue or something, you can easily figure out. All right, let's jump onto the next skill. It's a cloud. So today is everything's kind of moving forward to cloud. You can't blame um, you can blame these days because everything going digital and everything basically getting migrated to the cloud. So if your company is not using cloud and they're planning to move in the cloud, that's a good chance for you to learn something. Also try to learn by your own, like watch videos and read articles about Azure and Amazon Cloud. Most of the companies are moving forward to the Azure and Amazon Cloud and Snowflake for data warehousing. We'll talk about the Snowflake later, but for now, just remember that if you know Azure and Amazon Cloud, which is AWS, then you are way ahead of any other people who are doing database administration. The migration, how the data is getting migrated to the cloud. If you're part of the team, you're lucky. Third skill would be data warehousing. So the data warehousing was way different in the previous days. Previously, we have on-premises data warehouses where you get to maintain data, but if you look at today, data warehousing has changed and many companies are moving to the cloud. So I've been in a conference last week with Snowflake. They're the one of the best providers of data warehouse today. So yeah, that conference was really, really exciting, and I got the chance to learn more about their product and everything. But Azure has a good platform data warehousing. As a DBA, you should know um, the basic maintenance or the table partition or how data is moving between the joins and everything. Also, um, the on-premises databases, on-premises data warehouses. On-premises data warehouses require more maintenance and the table partition and everything. There are many companies out there today, they still have the on-premises data warehouses where the business is getting reports out of. So you need to maintain that large amount of data. So you should know a little bit how to maintain a large amount of data as well as the OLTP environment. So OLAP and OLTP is totally different environments. SSIS, SQL Server Integration Services. As a DBA, you should know how to create a package, how to create a data transfer package using SSIS. It's a great tool for ETL. As a DBA, if you know that, then you know what the developers are writing and what developers are creating, so that if anything goes wrong, you can blame on the development team. That's all we had for the three skills. Let us know your comments below. I'd like to know what are you thinking about the skills, and if you have the skills, how you're utilizing in your environment. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. We are a new channel, so we are growing. Help us by subscribing, and we post at least one video every week. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that we can reach out to you easily and comfortably. And thanks for watching. Thank you, everyone.